Hello out there YouTube friends, I am Cindy and this is Sincerely Cindy Settle. Today is a dia day. Okay, so if you're not familiar with dia&co, this is my second box from dia&co. There is a $20 styling fee. This is geared more towards plus size. I believe they start at size 10 or 12 and then go up from there. You fill out a style profile just like you do for a lot of the other style boxes. You can send them a note, let them know what you're looking for. Then they will curate items for you and they will send them in the box without you having to do anything else. However, you do have the option to also choose some items that they've curated for you to add to your box, and then they will add any missing items. It looks like I have 6 items in this box. So let's get right to looking at what we have. All right, so I remember some of these that I chose. This is a navy dress that I thought was very pretty. It has this very pretty neckline that I just thought was so nice and so pretty and very flattering. And then it has the cinched waist there, and it looks like there is a handkerchief type of hemline. So it's kind of interesting. It's rather heavy. It's got some layers to it. We have these black capris. These are more like a work pant, which is fine. I can't tell if this is a white or gold or silver, and I'm sure it has to do with the lighting that I have here, but it's just a very small, dainty print there, and they look like they're going to be fitted, which I like in a capri. If I'm going with a capri, you guys know how I feel about capris. They have to be just right. Sometimes they fit too tight on my ankle, and then sometimes they're too short. I don't know. I'm just not a huge fan. They have to be just right. Then I've chose this one as well. This is just a black wrap top. Little dressier. It is a quarter length sleeve. It does have some ruching there at the waist that I think I'm going to like. This is a really fun jumpsuit that I just loved the collar, and I thought that the style was really cute as well. It's more casual, but I think you could dress it up for sure based on the material. It is a spaghetti strap. It does have working buttons there in the front, and then you have a drawstring waist, some billowy pants here. It feels like it's very comfortable, and then you have a cuffed hem there at the bottom. So this is an item that they chose for me. I think that they chose, I may have chosen the pants here, I'm not sure. So this is an item that they chose for me. Black base t-shirt, and then you have a tropical print on each sleeve, and then you have a tie front. Not sure how I feel about this one. Not sure that it's quite my style. And then we have these lilac jeans. They say on the invoice that they are capri, so we will see how those fit as well. Again, you know how I feel about capris. So I do have my style note. I will try to style these as my stylist has recommended. Also with dia&co, if you buy 5 items, you get a 25% off discount. So that's a nice discount as well. And I will have a referral code down in the description box. So if you guys want to try dia&co, you can do so. And I'm not sure exactly what the referral code gets you. I want to say it waives the styling fee, but I'm not 100% sure. But there is a referral code. And if you use that referral code, thank you so much. I do greatly appreciate it. So let's get to trying some stuff on. All right, so here we have outfit number 1. We have the wrap top and then the black capri pants. So I'm not hating this outfit. So the top is a lower V-neck. It is a faux wrap. It does have ruching here that gives some forgiveness around the stomach area. 3/4 length sleeve. The material is very comfortable. Not sure how things look from the back, but from this view, I'm kind of liking what I see. So I'm going to do a turnaround for you and for me so that I can see if I like it from the back. But let me get a little bit closer. I'll show you some details. So you can see it is a faux wrap here, and then the ruching right here lower neckline, but not inappropriate. I mean, if you are uncomfortable with that, you could just wear a little cami under there. There is a little bit of pulling there, so I'm not sure about this. So we'll see. Let me know what you guys think. And then we have the pants. The pants are also very comfortable. I feel like the fit is good. They are an ankle length, not quite capri, which is good. Would be good for work. They are a pull-on and an elastic waistband, so that's nice. There is, like I said, the little silver type of design within the pants. Let me turn around. Let me show you the back. So let me know what you guys think about these two pieces. I'm going to pan down so you can see the length of these. So here you might be able to get a good idea of the length. They're hitting right at the ankle. A pair of flats, heels, with either one would look cute with these. I'm not sure that they're going to be keepers for me. I'm not sure how often I would pull for them. But I do feel like the fit and everything is nice. As always, let me know what you guys think. Okay, here we have outfit number 2. So we have the black top with the print here on the arms, and then the lilac pants. So I like these two pieces together, but I don't know. It just doesn't work for me. So this number 1 is a big issue. I mean, how is that attractive to anybody? I don't know. Anyway, so that's an issue. It feels a little bit big. I do like the sleeves. I'm not crazy about the print, but the design of the sleeve with the black is nice. I just wish this were a little bit more fitted and maybe without the tie. I think I would like it a little bit better if those things were a little bit different. So the pants are a fine fit. They're not great. The waist is fine. The butt is fine. Everything feels good there. I like the color. The pockets in the front are working pockets. What I don't like, these are supposed to be a capri length as well. I simply walked down the hallway and they were already riding up my leg, which tells me that they're going to be too tight on my calves. So these are not going to work for me. But again, I do like the collar. So let me get a little bit closer and show you the print on this top. So you can see it's a very pretty tropical print. That lavender lilac collar does match the pants, and I do like that it's a little bit of a billowy sleeve. It gives you some room. Up here is very comfortable. All of this is very comfortable. It just gets down here and then it's just kind of everywhere. So let me know what you guys think. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's talk about the jumpsuit. So the jumpsuit is way too big. And I think that might be my fault because when I requested this item, I think I even requested the size. And I didn't realize that their sizing at dia&co is a little bit different. So their extra large is actually a size 22. And like I said before, I'm a size 16. So I think this is cute and it's very comfortable. I would like to try it in my size. I like the collar. I like the buttons going down the front. I like the drawstring. It has pockets. I like the smocking on the back, but you can see that it is just very big on me, and the pants are very big on me. So I would like to try it maybe in my size. So I may try to exchange this to get it in my size to see if I would like it any better. So let me get a little bit closer. You can see the collar. So you can see it's just very big on me. The kind of has a bronze type of button going down the front. The straps are adjustable and it does have the smocking in the back. So this is very pretty. I do love the neckline. I think it's very flattering. I think it's very pretty and very sexy. I like this as well. I do have a strapless bra on. It is nude. So from far away, I mean, it would look like I'm not wearing anything there, but I am, I promise. But I'll get a little bit closer here in a second. You can see the detailing up here, but it's very pretty. I like the cinch waist. It does have a smocked back that does cover the bra back there. The only thing it's missing is pockets. It is a handkerchief hemline. It is lined up in here. So you do have a lining there. This is very, very wrinkly. So that would be something to consider when purchasing. But I do like this one. However, I wouldn't be able to wear it to work. And I want to say it's a little bit more on the expensive side. So I'm not sure how much use I would get out of it other than during the summer on the weekends, which would be good too because it is really cute. It would be great for a date night or something like that. So let me get a little bit closer. So look how cute that is. It's very cute, very flattering. This is very cute. I feel like it's very tasteful. What do you guys think? All right, let's do a wrap up. All right, I'm back for the wrap up. As you guys can see, my hair's kind of gotten a little flatter. My lipstick has faded. It's taken me about an hour and a half to film this video. I've taken the dog out twice. He's potty training. He's only 4 months old, so that's kind of a priority, but it's sprinkling a little bit outside. So I'm getting a little bit wet, but anyway. And like I said, I'm out of my element, so I've got kids coming in and out, and this is a more commonly used space than the downstairs family room, but it's occupied with extra furniture from the sale of our cabin this past week. So I will get back to a new and improved studio hopefully soon. So let's talk about some prices. All right, so the first item we have is this dress. And it is, okay, so the price is not bad on this. It's actually only $59. That's not a bad price. I like that it's lined. It's very cute. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I'm going to show it to my husband and see what he thinks. I think that he will like that one. The only thing that he may not like is that it's maxi dress. He prefers a shorter dress. He likes my legs. All right, so then we have the jumpsuit. Again, this was too big, and I think that was my fault. It is actually $71. Not sure that I would love it $71 worth, so it's going back. Then we have the top with the floral around the top. It is $39. Reasonable price, but I didn't love this. I didn't like the tie in the front, and I'm not crazy about that print. The lilac pants are not going to work for me. These are $69. That's going to be a no. And then we have the black wrap top. It is $58. This is a possibility as well. I do think I would get a lot of use out of this, but I do want to look back at the footage and try it on again with a pair of jeans to see if there's any muffin top rollover, which there could be. And then we have these Capri trousers, they're calling these, and they're calling it black and white, so I guess that is a white stitch, and these are $65. So the ones I am considering are the navy dress and the black top. Let me know what you thought of those two pieces, and let me know what you thought of this overall dia&co boxing. And let me know if you've tried dia&co and what your experience has been like. Have you loved them? Have you hated them? Do you think it's worth the $20 styling fee? I noticed that they do have this try before you buy option now, so I may look into that a little bit and see if that's something that I might like a little bit better as opposed to them styling me. I don't know. Like I said, I did choose several of these items on my own. The two items that I'm considering keeping were ones that I chose. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I will have a Stitch Fix up soon. I also hope to have a review of In an Instant by Suzanne Redfern, as well as The Words by Ashley. I think she goes by A. Jade. So both of those books were recent books that I've read, and I will also have the giveaway winner announcement in that same video. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. As always, please subscribe, like, share my channel, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I'm signing out. Mwah.